It's baby shower day.
Oh my god.
It's her first Chanel.
Amber's fixing all the food. Before we get started with the baby shower vlog, I wanted to show you guys a few projects I made with my Cricut for the shower. Huge shout out to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. If you don't know, Cricut is a smart cutting machine that lets you make personalized projects at home with hundreds of materials. All you have to do is design your projects in the Cricut design space that comes free with your Cricut machine. There are hundreds of project designs and fonts for you to choose from for your personalized pieces. Cricut makes it so easy to complete a project from start to finish in just under 30 minutes. First, for the shower, I wanted to make a little guest book that guests could put a Polaroid picture and a little note to baby girl in. First, I'm just going to measure the book that I got, and then I'm going to start designing my project on the Cricut design space. For this one, I wanted her name on it, and I'm not quite sharing the name yet, so you guys are just going to see a portion of this project, but I still wanted to show you how I made it, so I just typed out name, and then underneath her name, I put "You Are So Loved," and you can choose lots of different fonts in the Cricut design space. You can kind of move it around, play with it. I just centered the "You Are So Loved" right underneath her name, and I added a couple hearts on this project as well, and it turned out really, really cute. Next up, we are doing these that look like Polaroid pictures, and these are just going to be used as little photo props at the shower. First, we just cut out a portion of the poster board to make them look like Polaroid pictures, and then I got to designing in the Cricut design space. This one I wanted it a little bit curved up, which is super easy to do on the design space, and these were pretty big, so it used a lot of the vinyl material. I just cut it to be the correct size, and then my Cricut got to cutting. This thing is so impressive, you guys. The Cricut machine cuts so fast, and your projects are done in no time. This Cricut Explorer 3 machine will be linked in the description box of this video, along with all of the materials that I use to make all of these projects, so definitely check it out before you leave this video. And just like that, when your Cricut machine is done cutting, it will eject the project mat from the machine, and from there I went ahead and got started on the weeding process. Weeding is basically the process of removing all of the unused vinyl from your project to reveal the phrase that you created in the design space. For this project, I just did Girl Power and It's a Girl, which are super cute for a baby shower. And the next step is to get out some transfer tape. You're going to apply this directly over your project all the way, and then once you have it applied, you're going to really make sure it is secure using the Cricut scraper tool. Once you're sure the transfer tape is nice and secure, you can go ahead and start trying to pull up your design. And if you have a piece that isn't quite coming up, just go back over it with the scraper until everything comes up nice and seamlessly. And once you have your project completely peeled up, you can go ahead and apply it to the surface. Just make sure it is nice and secure, and you can remove the transfer tape, which is usually a lot easier than applying the transfer tape. And these are complete. They turned out so cute. They were the perfect photo props, and they were so easy to make, like literally less than 30 minutes. And the last project I am making is a little baby onesie, so I am just measuring it and writing out my design in the Cricut design space. This one is going to be a super small design, but I'm designing it pretty big, and then I can adjust the size later on. I just wanted to say you are my sunshine in colors that kind of go with my boho baby shower theme. For this one, I wanted the text to be two different colors, so I kind of placed the text lines a little bit further away from each other just to accommodate for the two separate pieces of vinyl that will be on my project mat. Then I placed the pieces of vinyl according to the measurements of my design, and my Cricut machine got to cutting everything out for me super easily. This was probably the quickest project that I did. My Cricut machine cut this design out super fast, so I'm just beginning the weeding process. This one was a little bit more tedious because it is such a small design, but in the end it turned out super cute, and it honestly wasn't that bad weeding it. And once I was done, I just got ready to transfer it to the little baby onesie. I just went over the onesie with my Cricut heat press. I love my Cricut heat press, you guys. This is a great accessory to your Cricut. Then I got everything lined up, and I took my heat press and just put it on there for 30 seconds, a minute, or however long it takes for the design to actually stick to the onesie. And that is pretty much it. You are all done. I love iron-on Cricut projects. They are so easy, and you can make so many cute things. Those are all of the projects that I made for my baby shower. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Once again, if you are interested in Cricut, everything will be linked in the description box below, and a huge thank you to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. It's baby shower day. The college girlies are here. Everyone say hey. It's such a pretty day though. Some views.
I woke up in the middle of the night. Na, na, na. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me.
Amber's fixing all the food. She's been a busy bee. They are really cute. They better taste good too.
There will be prizes, and don't forget to look for socks. And thank all of y'all for being here. We're so excited. Then we're going to open presents. It's going to be awesome. And everyone has to eat cake, and there is goodie bags for you to take candy home. So you can fix yourself a whole little bag.
And also I have a gift for everybody that I got, so I'm gonna just give them to you now because I don't know where to put them, but they're really cute. I think they're cute. Hopefully you think they're cute.
I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na na na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all.
Guess the date that you think she's going to be due, and then sign your name next to the little feet.
She's gone on the due date. I need it. I'm really competitive.
How many socks do you have so far?
7.
7.
On the hunt for more. There will be more. There will be more.
What do you think the due date's going to be?
I really wish she would come on the 14th because her last name is Love. So.
14th is
But
Valentine's
that's probably
Day.
not likely.
That would be very cute.
I'm going to go for the 14th.
Let's see what everyone's guesses are so far. Pretty spread out. That's good.
Realistically, it's
That would
probably
be-
going to be like a little bit later.
Yeah.
You know?
You share my thoughts. Ooh, na na na. It's like cutting a wound in a bleeding heart. It gets me.
You two have had babies, so you should be good at this game.
Oh, yeah.
First
But I
game is the
know
bingo.
that you need it all. Ooh, na na na.
How you guys going so far? Yeah, she's got a lot of answers. Mary Gail's got a lot of answers.
She's claiming that she's going to take the whole thing away.
You think, Mary Gail, you think you're going to
I'm
win?
just listing things that I can see and the things that I got.
That's a smart idea. You're very smart. You might win it.
I'm just gonna watch this video on YouTube. Just go watch it. I'm gonna go on YouTube.
Time, 'cause I need to know that you're staying. Ooh. When I look back, I can see you're hiding.
So the first one, Mom and Dad have been together for 3 years, is over. There are 53 days until the due date is over. The parents-to-be want 2 children. I said over. Probably 3, I guess. I don't know. We'll see how this one goes.
I did it wrong.
The dad-to-be has 2 siblings. Over. The parents have already purchased 12 newborn outfits. Probably over, I guess. The dad-to-be has assembled 2 pieces of baby furniture. I put over. The mom-to-be has reorganized the nursery 7 times. Under. The dad-to-be started changing diapers at age 3. It's a little, it's a little weird. Absolutely not. The dad-to-be has had 4 pregnancy cravings. No, under. All right, that's it.
All right, does anybody have all 15 correct? Does anybody have 14, 13, 12, 12? Okay, is there going to be a tiebreaker? Well, 3. So we have 3 winners for 12. What's the tiebreaker for the first game?
Pick a number, I guess.
Okay, we'll write down your number.
Pick a number between 1 and 20.
Closest one to the number she picks is going to be the winner.
Well, 14. 15. My number's 14.
Oh, look at Ruby.
Okay, let's work.
I was gonna say good choice.
And the due date, yes.
Yeah.
Non-alcoholic.
I ordered 6.
Which it like ties in the knot.
It has her name on it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's her first Chanel.
Oh my god.
I'll get over it. I just need to be dramatic.
Because Winston's your favorite dog.
Oh my god. I think it's
Crumbs, but.
It has Winston.
Look at the butt. Look at the butt. Look at the butt.
Ruffled
A
butt.
ruffle butt. So cute.
Thank you.
What's that? Sleep tracking HD nursery camera. I can read from here, guys.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
The Nana from Nanny. It's like a little bottle brush. Cute. Very useful. Water wipes. Oh, did I put wipes? Also,
Waiting for a moment to step in, and I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. Oh, and I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all.